Do you have any message?
Yeah, maybe like, if you have a dream, doesn't matter if it's singing or something, but just go for it. And even if it takes time, you should always go for the dream.
Never give up. Never give up, and do what you love to do, and do it with joy, and enjoy life.
I would say to just dive in, because you never know until you try something, and you'll probably be really pleasantly surprised, like I was.
If you have the calling, you have to do it. And if you don't do it, you're just going to make yourself sad. If you haven't experienced what it's like to not live your life according to, your calling, and realize just how bad and how dark that can get.
The best thing you can do if you want to learn how to sing rock vocals is to get a lesson with Rocky. It's the best thing you can do. Trust me on that.
Find a vocal coach that supports you, that is gonna help you find your own style.
Yeah, take lessons from Rocky.
Thank you.
If you want to sing and do crazy stuff like distortion, screams, whatever technique, I mean, I'm pretty sure Rocky will help you with that. And she's so passionate about what she does, so that's pretty good. If you want to take lessons, go with her.